area. Yeah, I think you forgot this one. Okay, guys, did you enjoy?
Oh, I think they're still sleeping.
Hello!
I can hear your voice. Hi! Alright, very good. So now, kids, before we start our science experiment here, let me introduce myself first.
Yeah.
Alright, kids, my name is Professor Broco. What is my name? Broco. Again, what is my name? Professor Broco. And here's my partner, Professor
Lee. So I'm Professor Lee, everyone. Hi.
What is her name?
Lee.
What's your name?
Professor Lee.
Professor Delee.
Oh, so we are the Professor
Broccoli.
Yeah, guys.
Alright, hello.
So
I heard one child here. She
Yeah.
said Professor Delee.
the
You look like Professor Delima.
Okay, guys. So do you have any idea what we're gonna do today?
She's already out from the chat.
Huh? Do you have any idea? No, we're here to show you some magic.
Magic, I thought we are cooking today.
The magic is related to science. So Professor, you started. Come on.
Alright, so kids, for our first experiment. Okay, Professor Lee, can you please hold this?
Okay. This is a bowl. Okay.
A mag for you. Huh?
Okay.
Alright, Professor Lee, I need to wear my gloves.
Okay. We need to wear gloves for what?
For safety! Very good. And of course, Professor Lee,
You forgot to introduce your best friend.
we need my best friend here.
Where's your best friend?
Here's my best friend.
This is your best friend.
Yes.
Name?
Do you know the name of my best friend?
Container.
Tabi Tab.
Tabi tub? It looks like a tub. But what's inside?
Chubby. Chubby Chub.
Chubby chubs. No, there's a name. Wait, I'm hearing it. It starts with N, but I can't hear it.
You don't know my best
I don't
friend.
know.
Alright, the name of my best friend is Nitrogen. Alright, everybody say hi to Nitrogen! Hi! Okay, Nitrogen, I need you.
Wow, it's very hot.
Oh, I think it's hot.
Does it hot? You think nitrogen is hot? Who say it's hot? Raise your hands.
Is it cold or hot?
Cold or hot?
Okay,
Okay, we're gonna
let's check it.
Okay, ready. Let's put on the bowl, ready? Oh, but it's smoking. I guess that's very, very hot. Okay, this time, we're gonna ask the audience if it's really hot or cold. Can you go up here, sweetheart? Come with me, come on.
Okay.
Come with me. She's gonna put her finger on the bowl and she's gonna tell to everyone if it's
No,
hot.
you can blow it. Just blow it, sweetie.
Is it hot or cold? Is it cold?
Cold.
It's cold.
Okay.
It's hot.
Alright. Professor Lee, can you please make a dinosaur using that balloon? Alright, sweetie, thank you so much. I need a pink dinosaur.
Pink
Okay.
dinosaur.
Alright. Who wants some pink dinosaur? Pink dinosaur. Okay. Alright, while you are doing the pink balloon, okay, let me ask the kids here to blow my best friend. Alright, just blow it, but do not touch it. Okay, everybody, just blow it.
Just blow.
Is it hot or cold?
And don't touch it, okay?
Is it hot or cold?
Put your hands in the balloon. Very
Blow
good.
it, blow it, blow it.
Blow it.
Blow it.
Okay, this time, kids, we're going to make
Blow it, blow it.
dinosaur, a pink dinosaur. Okay,
Alright. Okay, are you done with this, Lee?
hi, pink dinosaur.
Is it a dinosaur?
This is dinosaur, right? No?
I think it's a cat.
It's saying woof woof. It's a cat, but it's saying woof woof.
Oh, I think it's a
What's
cat.
the sound of the dog then?
I hate cat.
What's the sound of the dog? Meow! Meow! Okay, everyone, what will happen if we put the balloon on the bowl of nitrogen? Is it going to pop?
It will
goes
not.
down? Okay.
What do you think will happen? Nothing.
Say nothing. Okay, guys, what we're
It
eating.
will pop.
Maybe it's gonna pop. Okay, ready?
Alright, they're ready. Bye-bye, doggy. Say bye-bye, doggy.
Okay, this time, let's see what happens.
Uh-oh. Kids, I need your help. Okay. Can you please blow my dog? Everybody just blow that my dog. Blow, 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 blow. Blow it, blow it, blow it, blow it. Blow it, blow it, blow it, blow it. Come on.
Wow.
Blow, 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 blow.
Oh, shape.
Woo! Alright, everybody clap your hands. Woo!
Okay, this time, guys, are you ready for my next favorite on the science experiment?
What's that, Professor?
But this time, this is Professor Broco's favorite.
No, that's like... Oh, I think...
Okay,
I
so
hate
what
that
we got here,
experiment.
guys, we have a
Bowl!
what is this? A bowl, okay? And then over here we have some water. Okay, can we get the soap, please? Okay, so everyone, so we add some water here on the bowl. And we're gonna add some, what is this one? Huh? Do you have an idea what's this? This is a butane gas. We are using this as a gas when we are doing the camping. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna create the bubbles.
Woo!
Bubbles.
But before that, Professor Lee,
I
can we
think
call
I'm missing
2
some.
volunteers first? Let's have a challenge, okay? We need 2 big kids. Alright? Alright, sweetie, come here. Come on, buddy. Let's go.
You're first, Richard.
Okay?
Okay, let's do first the challenge.
Yes.
Before
Alright, what is your good name? What is your name? Sonic.
Okay.
Sonny or Sonic?
Okay.
Sonny. Alright, Sony. And what's your good name?
Okay,
Nadine.
stand together.
Alright, so listen to Professor Lee.
Stand together. Okay, this time I will give you 10 seconds to blow the plastic bag using you have to blow it with your air, okay? Do like this. Okay, guys, are you ready to count?
Alright, let's go from 1 to 30.
Ready? 1. Let's start going. Come on, go. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stop.
Uh-oh.
Did we blow it all? Oh,
Nothing happened, Professor Lee.
Okay, guys, do you believe that Professor Bro... Everyone, clap your hands for them first. Good job. You can have a seat for now. I will show you the trick. Okay, I believe Professor Broco will show us. I will challenge him to blow this one, the plastic bag, in less than 2 seconds.
How many seconds?
2.
2 seconds? Do you think I can do that? In just 2 seconds, I can feel...
I bet you can't do it because see, I give them 10 seconds, but you don't do anything.
I don't think I can do that. In just 2 seconds,
2 seconds.
I need to fill with air this plastic bag.
Yes.
Is it a magic bag?
I think, no, it's just an ordinary.
It's just an ordinary bag.
Okay, let's see, guys.
Alright, kids, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to count, alright? Just 2 seconds.
Okay, ready? I bet you can't do it. Huh. Okay, come on, ready? 1.
Do you know how to count?
No, we have to count. Come on, guys.
Alright, you have to count, okay?
Ready? 1.
Wow! That's all in just 2 seconds, right?
Do that.
Woo!
Okay, this time I'm gonna call you to try it in 2 seconds. Okay, come with me, sweetheart. Oh, I didn't use my common sense on that. Okay, ready? Okay, you try it. The same technique that what he did. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds. Okay, ready? Okay, come on, ready? Come, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it one more time. open like this. Okay, come on. Okay, ready?
Alright.
Ready? Ready?
And go!
One,
Woo!
two,
Well done!
you are a great student. Okay, have a seat. Good job.
Alright, thank you so much.
This time, guys, are you ready for my next favorite science experiment? So over here, what we do on the bowl, we put the water, okay? And this time, we're gonna put some dishwashing soap. Okay, everybody, let's count. Ready? Do you know how to count? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this time, I will let Professor Broco to drink this one.
Me?
Come on, drink it.
Can I drink this?
Yeah,
Can I drink this?
you can. Come on. Come on, come on, drink, 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 drink. No.
Can I drink this? Of course, no. But I can bubble this.
You can make some bubbles for me. Okay, this time, guys, we're gonna use some straw to create the bubbles on the bowl. And after that, okay, I'm going to put this butane gas. Okay, I think that's enough, Professor. We're gonna put some butane gas here.
Woo!
1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to soak my hand to this, okay? Woo, now it's soaking wet. Okay, this time, do you want to make an explosion to ready, set, go?
You want to burn ready,
You
set,
want to
go?
burn ready, set, go? How are you gonna play? How are you gonna play on the play area? Okay, we're gonna change the question. Do you want to burn me up?
Yes!
You want to burn me up? Oh my gosh, can't believe it, this kids. Okay, this time, guys, are you ready? And please, playing with fire is dangerous, so don't try this at home.
Alright.
Okay? Only professionals can do it. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Lighting me up. Come on, Professor.
Are you ready?
Don't be scared. Okay, ready? Come on. Okay,
1, 2,
and
3. Woo!
I forgot the reaction.
Do you want more?
It doesn't pain yet.
Alright, one more time, Professor Lee. One more time,
Okay.
Professor Lee. One more
Add
time.
more 1, 2, okay? And then we're gonna mix it up. You wanna soak it wet. Okay. And Kuya Savage will give me some tissue after. Okay, ready? With my 2 hands. I'm shaking. I'm scared. Are you scared? Don't be scared, Professor.
And 1,
Ready? 3. Professor, don't be scared. You're just lighting me up. Okay, ready? Come on. Okay. Okay, ready? Come on. 1. That's hot.
Everybody clap your hands!
Ready? Okay, guys, so repeat. Playing with fire is dangerous. Yeah. Okay, guys, do you want more? Okay, Professor Broco, I think I want some explosion. It doesn't give them a thrill. So we're gonna give them
This is
some
my favorite
special
part.
explosion.
Of the show,
Yeah.
the big
So
explosion.
what is this one? A bucket. And this time we're gonna put some safety gloves, and after we will put the best friend of Professor Broco, which is the nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Okay, you think what will happen if we mix the cold with hot water? Huh? Explode? Oh, it's gonna explode.
Or maybe we will all disappear.
Oh, they will all disappear. But I believe before we see the explosion, I want you all to step backward 10 times. 1, no beating on the fences. We are ready. 1, step backward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And please be away from the fences. Okay, ready? So what we got here, we have a bucket of hydrogen. So this time we're gonna add some water. Everybody, let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, where's the explosion? Ah, we forgot to add the water.
Oh, we will add the hot good, okay?
Okay, ready?
Are you ready for the big explosion?
Yeah.
Alright, at the count of 3, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Everybody, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Everybody clap your hands!
Wow, look at that. Okay, blow, blow. Hands in the back, hands in the back.
Everybody blow the bucket, blow the bucket. Blow the bucket, okay?
Don't touch, don't touch. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, guys, this is Professor. And my name is Professor Lee. We are Professor
Broccoli!
Everybody down. Okay, now everyone, thank you for watching our silent show. I hope you learned something from us. And please don't try this at home, only professionals can do it.